We are back. Saan? We're back with the main characters of this vlog. Kaming tatlo. Magka-Christmas market kami, kasama si Ate Tony. Pang ilang year na natin to?
About 4 or 5.
Fourth pa lang?
Or 5 years. Tingnan natin.
4. Fourth year. Correction, 5 years na pala kami. So year 5 na to. Sana maraming bagong masarap na food stall. Na food stalls. Sorry. Bili na kami ngayon ng burger
Sa New York.
sa New York. May pa jingle bells tayo dito rin. Yan, cookies for dessert. We're gonna go to Seoul. May mga Stranger Things thingy sa Seoul. May pa, ano ba tawag sa gano'n? Like wall show. Ano tawag sa gano'n, Pets? May tawag yun eh. Pero may, parang may show.
Parang installations.
Oh, basta ganyan, makita nyo na lang. Ng Stranger Things. Everywhere sa Manila. Punta kami doon and titingin na rin kami ng lights with Ate Tony. Thank you. Kasi, ay. F na F ang pag-perform. Ay, Jollibee. Pinoy. Better, ang take 2. Wow! Kasi todo perform na sila kanina. Tapos yung babaeng Spanish, sabi niya bigla, hindi ka naka-record And we were like,
Oh my God, you had one job.
Binigyan niya tayo ng chance.
Better, ang take 2.
Sabi niya, hindi ka naka-record. Tapos pagtingin ko, sabi ko, ay, hindi talaga.
10 over 10.
Guys, it's so bright.
Ganda ng ano.
Ganda ng lighting, ah.
Come here, Tex.
Upside down. You are like Papa.
Favorite line niya yun. Grabe, naiyak siya. Naiyak siya.
Kasi paano ba daw ang sinina? Ganito. Ano mo yung part of guys? Ito. Wala.
Ganyan daw ang... Hindi.
Oo, bibidyoan ko. Bibidyoan ko. Tapos sabihin sa kwarto pa lang ako. Bibidyoan ko sa tingnan nyo. Pakinggan nyo sino. Ay.
Sabi ko kasi parang lumilipad si Tetay. Mga iyak naman tong si ano to, magtawa.
Wala yung yung pagkamagawa niya.
Hindi ako ganyan maglakad.
Yung tunog. Yung tunog.
Heavy-footed, ganon.
Hindi. Inaano lang eh. Gusto lang niya. Yan o. Pag dumating
My
siya sa
presence
sound
is known.
kailangan mararamdaman niyo. Maririnig niyo siya agad. Ganon.
Tawag. Kasi sa bahay na to, alam mo na kung sino yung naglalakad. Depende sa lakad.
Namin kasi
Oo, so, alam ko yung pag siya yung naglalakad. Kahit nasa kwarto, pag narinig mo kung sino yung naglalakad.
Kapag kumakain din dito, alam ko kung sino yung kumakain.
Bakit? Pati daw pag
Yung
kumakain.
ganun na yung ganun ng kutsara sa plato. Ako pare, magkaiba kayo. Magkaiba lang.
Talaga? Yung mascara ni Bakla na sira.
Tapos kapag sa umaga, kapag nagbe-breakfast, I also know yung difference. There's the difference.
Ano yung difference?
Yung difference kapag si Jana yung
May bago yung hair nila, guys.
Yan, kapag si Jana nagdadrag yung niya. Nagdadrag yung spoon. Oh, parang could be. Pwede sa
Talaga?
Tapos, kapag ikaw,
Grabe naman kayo. Grabe.
kasi may beating siya.
Mga walang iya kayo.
Wala, na-observe na namin sa isa't isa. Yung difference ba?
Walang mali doon.
Mabigat lang talaga. Kamay ko.
Hindi na yung presence. Hindi na niya kailangan magsalita.
Guys, we're out. Very gloomy. Wala si Jana. May lakad siya with her workmates.
Nag-bar siya.
Ay, may ano daw.
Exercise. Bar, yeah.
Hindi, nag-lift siya. Yung sabi,
Oh, pero
run
like,
and lift. Pero,
oo, sa bar. Like, yung isang type na exercise. And mag-brunch kami kasama si Carl tsaka si Jam. Ito na, I think, yung equivalent namin ng Christmas party sa Pinas. Di ba pag Christmas party, lahat ng kung sino-sino
Salo-salo,
nakikita
kita-kita,
mo.
oo.
Ito na yun sa amin. Oo, kasi malapit na ngayong Christmas break. It's right there. Ooh. Hindi kayo mag-vlog?
mamaya.
Ito yung order ko. Super excited. Hello! It's a Wednesday. It's such a rainy day today. We've got chocolatada in school, so my chocolate might spill. And I already ate my other churro. So I've got one more. See, I think they start it every winter. Yeah, the first week of December. So we also had this last week. Every Wednesday, you can pay if you want some. So weird, because in the Philippines, churros is known as like a dessert because hello, it's sweet. Here, it's like a breakfast thing. Yum. Done with today's private class. Umuwi ako ng lunch. Hindi ako nag-vlog. I'm gonna go to Tiger and meet up with Jana. Yes, guys, mayroon silang games at mga apps. Ito yung mga bago to. Pero hindi siya pang class kasi look, share sila sa bibig. Giyak. So the option is a gingerbread house or like an elf house because they usually do elf on the shelf here. Tapos maganda din to guys. So yung poinsettia. Parang paper craft. Guys, she's here. And we're stressing. Tingin kami sa baba kasi meron sila dito no parang gingerbread house talaga na cookie na pwede kainin after. I'm probably gonna get 4 of the elf house. And there's so many candy. Ayun o, yung chocolate. Na kami. Yung gingerbread niya last time, walang icing. So, hindi na siya bumili. Abort mission. Kasi ang mahal ng iba. Tapos, syempre, ang dami nila. So, pinili ko na lang yung elf house kasi 2 euros lang siya. So, 8 for 4 students na siya. Totoo. It's the thought that counts. So, uwi na kami. Guys, look! binigyan ako ng gift na private class ko. Tapos, yung mom nito, nagtatrabaho sa isang magazine, like, journalist. So, kinikwento sa akin ng estudyante ko na parati sila may PR packages. Nakarating sa teacher ang PR package ng nanay. Thank you so much! Girl, gusto ko to! Sol de Janeiro, yung 59. Sobrang bango nito. Thank you. Feeling ko package niya to. What is this? Wet Skin Moisturizer.
Wow!
Search natin. Hindi ko to alam. The favorite. Kiko Milano. What? Ano to?
Wow, Christmas ano nila?
Oo, kasi
Oo ba dyan?
parang hindi pa naman nagme-makeup si Lucia.
Siyempre ba?
Tapos siguro siya din hindi. Lip tint! Tsaka ano to?
Bakit blush?
Snow-Kissed Holiday. Oh, baka
Mga blush?
so much naman! At what is this?
Hair something.
Oo, parang hair. Conditioner sa hair. Toma dyan. Grabe, thank you so much. Hindi lang yun yung box na dumating today. Ang in-order din namin ay dumating. Finally, mga abubot for... Pakamahal nito! Pero sabi ni Jana, mas mahal ang iPad case dito sa amin. 20 isa. So, umorder kami online. Wow! I feel like my animals. Ang ganda! Wait, worth it naman pala yung 10. Look at that! Super cute! Walang shark, pero bueno. Yung shark kasi, masyado na siyang mahal. So cute! What else did we get? We got some what is this? Leg warmers for winter boots. Tapos mga case. Wait, this is so pretty. Tapos bumili kami ng gloves na nakalabas yung fingers. Bumili akong headband. I got another case. So, pang winter to and then pag medyo sunny na. Parang kasayahan ko to for today's video. At guys, sabi ko sa inyo last time, di na nanonood si Jana ng Stranger Things. Pa-season 3 na siya, guys. Akin na to lahat?
Yeah.
Ay, binubuklat. Tapos another one. What the hell? Super cute. Ito pang... Ito yung ko. Sinadya ko talaga to pang holiday season. Mapapalitan ko na, napaka-boring ng face ko ngayon. Finally. Look at that. Grabe. Super happy. We're back. First Pilates class after 3 months. We got back September, nothing. October, nagpabunot akong ipin. November, difficult month. Hindi ako nag-Pilates. I did walk though, yung walking pad namin. So first class ko ulit to. Kasi wala akong tutor. Let's go. We're here. Running a bit later. Normally we don't start on time anyway. Like a few minutes. The fudge, that was hard. Yeah, because na-skip ko rin talaga for a long time. But also, the things na pinagawa niya sa amin today, ngayon ko lang ginawa. And it's mostly like, aside from doing the exercise, you need to balance something. And doon ako pinakamahina. I really can't balance myself. Anyway, let's go home. I'm super hungry. Hindi ako nag-lunch. Kumain lang ako ng banana bago ako umalis.
Everyone, if there's anything else you can do, do that. We have performed for over 10 million people in
Good morning. I just remembered that I forgot to close the vlog. I'm gonna end it right here. It's Wednesday and I am at home. Wala na ako masyadong pasok this week. So 2 more days and honestly, they're just practicing for the Christmas festival on Friday. So tomorrow, I'm gonna ask, hopefully, half day din ako tomorrow because normally they practice in the afternoon. So I'm so excited for Christmas break. And by the time that you see this, Christmas break na namin, I'm gonna edit this vlog today. So I'm just gonna be at home, relax, try to pack or try to think of what I'm gonna wear because we're going on a trip next week. I'm so excited. So, Jana and I were gonna spend Christmas together for the first time, and first time din namin mag-travel together na kami lang. So that's so exciting. Merry Christmas to everyone. And I will see you when we get back from the trip. Merry Christmas!